Okay, Google, what is the CIS Sandbox?
The CIS Sandbox is Bentley's technology social learning space located in Smith 234.
I'm Mark Friedenberg from Bentley University in Waltham, Massachusetts, and welcome to the Computer Information Systems Sandbox. The CIS Sandbox is Bentley's social learning space where students gather for one-on-one peer tutoring in their technology courses and also for informal technology learning, both online and through various activities that we sponsor. You'll be hearing about those from some of the students who work here shortly. We chose the name Sandbox because in industry, a sandbox is an environment where you can test software without worrying about breaking anything. And we wanted to bring that collaborative and playful spirit here into this learning environment. Our goal is to provide a place where students can build cool stuff with cool people and foster their own IT learning and knowledge through the activities and programs that we provide.
Through tutoring here at the CIS Sandbox, we help students with their assignments and any difficulties that they may have with their classes, as well as learning about ourselves. Through this, I've learned to overcome certain difficulties in life, as well as learn more about the technological advances that life's taking in recent years.
There was one student who came into the Sandbox and he was actually taking the same class that I had taken last semester in Java programming, and he said to me, I don't know how I feel about this class. It's my first time ever working with a programming language. Maybe I'm not cut out for it. Maybe I can't handle it. And when I heard that, I said to him, well, actually I took Java for the first time ever last semester too. It was my first programming class and it turned out okay for me, so I'm sure it will for you as well. And when he heard that, he was actually pretty excited and he said, oh wow, if you were able to do it, maybe there's hope for me too.
The Google Home is just one piece of cool technology that we have here in the CIS Sandbox. We also have other things, like virtual reality. We have Google Cardboard, which is a seamless and affordable way to experience virtual reality all around the world. And we also have these Google Glass that I'm wearing now. One of the big things that we do have as well, which might not seem that out of the ordinary, are these Android tablets. So by getting tablets like this as soon as they come out, the latest state-of-the-art technology, our students can develop apps in our Android development courses and test and evaluate them real time. One of the other big things we do is Internet of Things, and that allows students to understand emerging technologies, so we offer things like the Mio armband and Raspberry Pis to really get a grasp of how that happens in the real world.
Here at the Sandbox, we promote learning together, and you'll see that the open environment really allows for that to happen. We have these tables where everyone interacts face to face, and they can jot down their ideas, they throw them up on the board, and it really allows for the collaboration between all the group members to work together and create a project that should end up flawless.
CIS Sandbox not only provides a physical place for students come in and have a tutor to help them one-on-one, like a social learning environment. We also have a website that we put lots of useful information online. So here you can see this is our website. If you don't know CIS Sandbox work schedule, you are not sure which tutor you should look for, what's their schedule, you can always go on our website and anytime based on your convenience. One of the special things on the website is we create idea box, which is our blog. So you can find different type of articles written by tutors. For example, we have lots of category within our blog, the new technology, the new tools, and the video to help students with their class, and even the article helps students to develop their career. So you can see this is like a Java debugging cheat sheet, and we have different articles shown here. So it is really awesome place for you. Not only you don't need to come in Sandbox, but you can just click online and find the resource best for you.
So here at the Sandbox, we make sure that we are available for our students 24/7. One of the ways which we do this is by uploading these online videos, for example, say Excel or Access. These allow students with different learning styles to refer back to the video in case if a concept is not clear to them. This allows us to cater our students 24/7 and also allows students to have a reference to clear their concepts. Making these videos makes us make a connection with students because it emphasizes on communicating something to an audience which is distributed, and when the students are back, they can always make a reference through these videos, which kind of incorporates a connection between the student and the tutor.
Here in the Sandbox, we have access to employer relations that help with not only our academics, but also future career and internship opportunities. So for example, we've had PwC come in to do a case study on Fitbit data, as well as EY and the other Big Four, and we visited companies like Microsoft, their Innovation Center, and the Amazon Robotics Lab, since the learning doesn't stop just in the university, it is also at these other companies. And we are able to visit the alumni there from Bentley and talk about what we've learned, and also be able to utilize them for future internships and opportunities for learning.
Working as a tutor here, I've realized that learning takes place in many ways. Tutoring keeps my skills current, helps me remember what I've learned in former classes, and builds my communication skills. Students aren't the only ones who learn here. I've picked up some great tips and tricks by watching other tutors in action. In addition to tutoring, I get to learn the newest trends and play with the latest technology. Writing for the CIS Sandbox blog lets me share my technology interests with the community. Attending and organize our tech events gives me an edge on preparing for my future career by networking with other IT professionals. To find out more about the CIS Sandbox at Bentley University, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, or visit us online at cis.bentley.edu/sandbox.